Welcome to Mahatma Gandhi University, located in the picturesque landscape of Meghalaya. Our interesting range of programs provides an opportunity to choose the knowledge and skills as per the need. We have state-of-art infrastructure with fully Wi-Fi campus. The campus provides smart classrooms, well-furnished hostels, digital library, and fully equipped labs. Students have access to large acre sports complex, fully equipped gym, and music and culture center.
We also provides various scholarship to students. Admission open now. Just walk into the campus or give a call.
Watla ka jingkershan ka bajur ya ka jingdawa ban Weng shipor ki he Pulit ke badan kti ban siat yap yu ba Chesterfield thank you ha ka khatlai tarik unailor Kalapur state ha kaleng ka rikhasi jaintia na kaliang menteri rangba ka jelau Conrad konggal sangma udang yaiban ba ka Sorkar kan omla ban Weng Iaki Khlem da penlong ya ka jing Tohkit ka bapura. Habai ekran sekilat pathai khubor na kaliang menteri rangba uloong banadu kasengi baningkong hi ulayathu bana kaliang ka Sorkar kalada banthung ya ka jing Tohkit kabaladang ya shakhmat menta ban ngin hap apswa ya ka kaipod kaban sami na ka te ka jing Tohkit usang mau uloong ru bakan omlong ka babiang na ka benta ka Sorkar bakan shim ya kanu karai ban Weng shipor ki he Pulit Khlem da pelong ya ka jing Tohkit ka bapura banlap mano badon kti ha ka ne ka jingja kumta kamlong ka pasuk ya ka Sorkar. Shushu na kaliang menteri rangba ulakan tu ya ki kenhon ki badawa ban Weng ya ki he Pulit baki de ban yaisha batkin up hadu bandadap ka jing Tohkit. Ulo ongru bana kaliang menteri kampo ying uba lakman remboi barkumju na kaliang jongka Sorkar kan sa pentikna ban sashim ya kano karai persha ya ki te gibriu ki badan kti katkum ka jingmi na kane ka jing Tohkit.
Growing demand and the suspension of top officials. So the government is looking to suspend because now to refuse the return. We
have been very clear from day one that there is an inquiry that's going on, and when the inquiry is going on, we have to wait for the inquiry's results to come out and what the inquiry will bring out. It is completely unfair for us to take action against anybody without a proper inquiry and finding out who the responsible people are. So therefore, it is not possible for us to say that who will be responsible or not. And that's the reason why we have instituted this inquiry so that the truth can come out. And therefore, all the people who are demanding this, I would urge them that you should be patient. You should wait for the inquiry to be completed. And the government has already mentioned, the Home Minister has already mentioned that we will act firmly on the basis of judicial inquiry that comes in.
Ngala job bun ki jingi khun nre yo covid ndai ngaya khun da katika ay katika covid ndai kanong yi khun persha kane ka Khlem